Welcome friends, this is Hisense Soundbar HS214 2.1 channel all-in-one soundbar. This soundbar has 3 speakers with built-in subwoofer, audio power 108 watts. This soundbar can connect it to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable, HDMI, coaxial. This will give your TV sound a facelift. You can enjoy your favorite TV show, movie with crystal clear, room-filling sound with built-in subwoofer. It brings the movie to life with heap of bone rattling bars. Connect to your TV via Bluetooth and keep your living space neatly and tidy. Link your phone, tablet, laptop and stream your favorite music right to the soundbar. It is compact design. It gives you all-in-one home entertainment system without all clutter. With HDMI, ARC, optical, coaxial, USB and aux connection, you can hook up all your device. Dolby Digital, supported file, MP3, FLAC, WAV, preset mode, movie, music and news. It's a Bluetooth 4.2. We're going to unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make informed choice. And this is Roku TV ready. This is information pack. HDMI cable is included in the packaging. It is nice. Sometimes you don't get that in the soundbar. And remote control. The power cable with battery, AAA battery included as well. Nice. This is a single bar, very compact. It's quite heavy. This got 3 speakers. And the power cable goes here. USB is the first one on the right, followed by optical, then followed by aux, then followed by HDMI, ARC, and coaxial. Beautiful. You have so much option in terms of connectivity. Just gonna hook this up. You can test the audio, and also you have screws here included. So take the cable, connect it to AC in, push the cable inside, connect it to the power, take the remote control and take the battery and put the battery on. So open up the remote, then take on your right side, the negative goes on the top and the positive on the bottom. Then on the left side, the negative on the bottom, the positive on the top. And it's in. Slide this in and close the remote control. And the light is showing here. So the front is metal grille, the top and the back is the plastic, but the front is metal. So switch this on, and it's highlighting. You can see the light is highlighting. Select source. So the light, you keep an eye on the light. So the Bluetooth on top, green light is aux, yellow light is USB, blue light is Bluetooth, HDMI is white light, coaxial is light blue, and optical is yellow, and standby is red. And this is Bluetooth. Likewise, you can use the remote control and select the source. If we select the source, then it change to, now it's gone to USB. If you select it again, it gone to auxiliary, then it go back again until you select Bluetooth. So now it's in Bluetooth, ready. So now we're going to connect this to your laptop. Go to your laptop settings and select Bluetooth and devices. Then select add a device. Select Bluetooth, and it will start to search for available Bluetooth device. Hisense HS214 is available. So you need to select on it, and it's connected. Audio, select done. Going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. Go to saved music.
I promised I would wait for you, but I'm getting so impatient. Tell me that you're ready now. This room is big enough for two, and I wanna do like something that will blow your mind. Do you know the things you do to me? Touch me and I'll make you understand. Yeah. Do you know the things you make me feel? I can show you if you take my hand. I just wanna dance, dance, dance with you. Let me take you under where nobody can see. I just wanna dance, dance, dance with you. Harder than a summer, so put your hands on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Before you, I was paralyzed, all broken down from heartbreaks. Then you came and set me free. You've taken me to paradise, where nothing is a mistake, where we move so flawlessly. Do you know the things you do to me? Touch me and I'll make you understand. Do you know the things you make me feel? I can show you if you take my hand. I just wanna dance, dance, dance with you. Let me take you under where nobody can see. I just wanna dance, dance, dance with you.
Get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tock, and I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often. I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids talking. I'm guessing this life how it is, and I can't wait for the weekend. Keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Yum, yum, yum. Let's go. See the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves again. Summertime, go for a swim. Wintertime, go grab a sled. Spring, I might need an umbrella. Fall back in school with my friends. Attitude change like the weather. My mom tell me it never ends. Like clocks, we evolve in a circle. Every 12 months, we do it again. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day.
Let the music play like a drug. I am hooked on sweeter than summer wine. Baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. I feel good, yeah. I feel good when I'm with you, darling. Just like I should, yeah. I feel good when I'm with you. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. It feels like it's a reason, break the rules. I wanna wake up in the
You don't need further subwoofer. This got inbuilt subwoofer, so this soundbar deserves your attention. Is good for the morning. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.